Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Enclave. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, passenger vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, driver vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.